So here we have done connection setup, and we seen about how to create a table or view. Okay, and we know about config blog. Okay, so like a data build tool. So it is ELT tool. Okay, after extract load, it will going to transform the data. So even if the question come with stress, so it also do extract and load. There is called like seeds in DBT. That seeds we can convert CSV file into table as a permanent table in the Snowflake. We can extract the data. We can load the data into the Snowflake receipts. Okay, so most of the time we use for transformations. So why dbt means, so in interview they will ask why dbt. We need to go with transformation first. Okay, transformation. So second thing, like reusable code, so reusable data models. Okay, then we have version control and CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, and documentation. We have making, like we can make the command dbt docs command. Okay, we can in the documentation, and we can have like modular code modularity. We can use like, okay, and it have automatic dependence. So you need to keep in this mind. Okay, dependence, these points, like we have ref key. Okay, so using ref we can refer the another model like that. And testing, like we have like unique, okay, not null and accepted values. Okay, and custom test we have. Okay, and it can connect with, or it can do transformation within, like you can push the data into Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift. Okay, so BigQuery, Redshift are Snowflake computers. Okay, so no need any servers for this one, no need any servers. Okay, this one. Okay, so these are main CAC, the automation process, and it can connect with Airflow, GitHub Action, Azure, AWS. Like, so it going to generate automatic lineage graph. This is main point. So lineage diagrams. So today we're going to see about lineage diagrams also. So we need to have the multiple models, then we can see the lineage diagrams. And we can easy to learn. And so there are multiple persons are there working, so they can use the same folders. So we already seen, right? We have models folder, test folder, macro folder. So like that we can see. So these are most of the time they will ask in the interview. Suppose here we already did about dbt run. So it going to run all models at a time. So what are the models we have in the dbt? It's going to run the all models. Suppose if you want to run single model, so we use dbt run hyphen select model, this one way. Or if you want to run specific folder is there, you can use dbt run and select. Okay, you can use the folder name. So in that folder, so all models are going to run. Okay. Next, if you want to run only specific two models or three models, you can use dbt run. Okay, hyphen select model name one and comma model name two. So like that, if we can run, okay, using dbt run, we can run different models using dbt. So these are why dbt means transformation, reusable codes, version control, CI/CD, documentation, dependence like ref function. We can test the data, unique, not null, accepted values test. Further, no need for servers. Okay, we have lineage diagrams. Okay, so we can run models using dbt run. It will run the all models. So dbt run hyphen select model name, it will run the individual model. So dbt run hyphen select, it will and folder name, it is going to run the what are the models in that folder. So dbt run select hyphen select model name comma model name 2, it's going to run these two models. So this way we can run the models. So there is one more command dbt build, it's going to run the model and it's going to do the test also, both going to run. So these are the like models. One second. So these are, and we seen about config block, metadata is equal to v or table we can create, and today we going to see about a ref function and sources. Same models we going to create in different pattern, different pattern. Okay, so you can share your screen when it starts. You can share your screen. Okay, so all others also you can do while I'm teaching. Okay, that is like a, so best way to learn. Okay, so open dbt. So click on that studio. So, so today we seen about morals, right? So we're going to see about complete morals. Okay, so we're going to end this one. So same code. I will give the code. Okay, you can paste in that model. Okay, yes, I'm good. So in chat box, I'm pasting the code. So copy, and go to the stage customers model. Go to stage customers model. Already we have code stage customers model. You can model that model. So open that. Okay. So this is normal code. Okay. So in real time, we're going to write in different way. So copy that code and paste here. Replace with this code in chart box. You can see. Complete code. You can delete that one and replace it. Okay. So this is okay. Here we're using config block metadata equal view. Okay, so we are writing ct with ct. Okay, uh, it shows as select same code customer id customer name email from source. So your this source schema name we need to mention customers. So select star from source. Okay, so here uh, select click on preview. So your source schema, the dot password which was not found for this one. So we need to create one schema.yml file. So here in staging, click on three dot, create schema.yml file.
Okay. Schema name should be
Schema only. Schema, write in lowercase letters. Delete that. Okay. Schema.yml. This is how to define the like a schema file. So first line write the version colon, give space and give the two. After colon give the space. Okay. So next line write the sources. So here colon. So here we can give any name. Okay, what is the your source? Like we can give shopping, SHOPING. Shopping, you can use. Okay. Uh, delete that one. Delete that one. After sources colon, give the enter. Give the enter. Hyphen. Oh, no. Keep it sources. Control sources. Give
sources.
the give the column like that. So here mention the shopping. Name is there with SHOPING. So we can give any name. So next give the one more enter. So database, type the database. So we are taking data from raw database, right? We need to give the raw RAW. Just try to move, give the space. It's going to. So after in fourth line before database, so just give the space. Make it like alignment. So next line type schema. No. Schema, not type. Schema. Name schema. Column, give the. So we are taking data from the shop schema. So next line, give the tables. Tables, column, enter, hyphen name. After that, give the enter. No. After column, give the enter. Go to the next line. Give one more space and to it should match with that. Either like yeah. So after name, give the column, give the space. No. After column, give the space. Okay, not space after the name. Okay. So customers table name we have customers, right? So give the customers. So this. Okay, now save it. So this is the how to define sources. Okay, customers. Save it. Go to that stage customers model. So you can see the lineage graph shopping. Source is shopping customers. So now your source schema give the shopping in the 10th line. So we need to mention that is the source name. What is the source name? Shopping. Your source schema. What is the shopping? This. Okay. Now it will take. So suppose we are using this model anywhere. So it will show the entire lineage graph. Okay. So now you can click the preview and check it. It's working or not. So it's working properly, we have done. Okay, so like that we need to do for this products and orders. Okay, there is everything. So next
For
I'm sending.
for every SQL file, we need to create one YML file.
No, we can mention in that only. So
And then how it worked yesterday for the stage orders? At that time, there is no YML file, right?
we used fully qualified name. So for this orders,
Okay.
click on lineage graph, click on lineage graph for orders. So here, so
Okay.
this order table, right? Now try to click,
Yeah.
there is lineage, right? Lineage, compile code and lineage. Click on lineage. So directly we have model, right? Model, this one. Okay. This is comes directly from only single one showing. Okay. For go to that stage customers, click on the lineage. Okay. This. So now we going to use these are in another models, right? Then it will show the complete lineage graph. As of now, we have only, so it's not attached with any other model. Okay, like that. Showing only single model name on it.
Then here it is not needed, the fully qualified name, because we are creating this YML file.
Yeah, that's why we don't need the fully qualified. So again, give the enter and give the name and orders like that we can do for product sums. So same that not entire code. After the customers, give the enter, just hyphen name colon orders like that. So what are the tables we have in that schema, that database? We need to mention those. So next line products also you can give products. So in ninth line after hyphen give the space.
That's it.
Save it. So give the make it correct. That is not proper. It is giving the errors, right? Red mark. After in ninth line after hyphen give the space. Okay, and here also okay. Okay, now it's good. Now save it. Now let's stick with this sources file. Okay. So Chandra and Narendra clear for right? Are you getting? Vasant.
Yeah, bro.
So if you have, so you are starting right, okay. If you see video one or two times, you will get one idea. So if you have any doubt, connect with, I will connect with you, okay. So no worries about, okay. Now go to the stage orders. Okay, now place that code in chart box orders. The chart box, okay. We paste that code and same change that name shopping. We can see. So for that, like that, save it and move to that products. Copy the code. We can see. the source name. So usually we create in staging like these models, okay, stage customer, stage order, stage products. So different models we create. Then so using these models in mart layer, we're going to create mart layer. So on that we're going to do the transformation of the data. Okay.
Okay, mark layer in the
So we're
sense
going
is
to create now check three models are run perfectly. See, have you saved save check the saving or not?
yeah, I say
Okay, now run the dbt run.
GPT run, so it will run for three, right?
Yeah. Three models. No. Entire all models. We also have other models, right? Uh, my first DBT model, my second DBT model, example models also is going to run. So in real time, we don't use most of the time DBT run. We're going to use the build. There is build, right? Build option. We're going to use the build in real time. So build will do. It will run the models and it will also do the test. Here you can see the
Okay.
build option. Or we can write
Uh,
DBT build command.
okay, if we run compile, what it will do? It will run.
Code compile, like if any error, it will show like that. It going to fix. If any mistake in this one, I'm going to compile the code. Compiler.
Okay.
So create one folder in that models, mart, mart. So remember, we have usually staging, intermediate, mart. So depend on the project, they will use snapshot layer also for snapshot data. And inside the mart, they will use like core also, core. Okay. So usually tell me about this one. Or like some project they will use snapshots, some they will use core. Inside the mart layer, they're going to create one more folder, core. So inside that we use some models like that. So we can tell in the intro staging, intermediate, mart layer. If they ask like you have any other layers like snapshot layer and core also we have. But core means it will inside the mart layer. So fix with or stick with this three staging, intermediate, mart. Then after snapshot layer, those are okay. So in mart layer, create one model. Like you can give customer orders summary model. So completely we use only SQL only here. Okay, summary which Python summary.c create. So now copy that code. Now you can see the entire lineage graph after pasting that code. So this one like some calculation summary of those details, summary of the total sales and everything. So same with class and select with orders as select from customer ID and customer name and count of order ID. This is order table. Those above customer ID order table, customer name, customer table as a total orders. So sum of like P into price product table and into quantity as a total spent. From here we use this is the way of using another model into the one more model. So from we need to open two curly braces, ref. So inside single quotations, we need to give the stage orders. So as alias table. So next Jane, again curly braces, ref. So which model? Next stage customers we are using. Okay, again close the curly braces. Okay. So after that, as in on we are mentioning the condition on O dot customer ID equals C dot customer ID. So this is the customer IDs we have in the both orders table in the customer table. So on like this. So Jane, it's like curly braces reference stage products and again curly braces close as P alias name on product ID from order table product ID from product table P. So that's why we have that is the order table is a fact table in both customer ID in the order table and product ID also in the order table. So next we are doing the group by customer ID, customer name and select star from orders. So if you don't know like SQL, so I will share the drive link. You can go with that SQL videos like left chain, right chain, inner chain, and we have cross chain, full chain also. I also explained in the class. So you can go with those videos. You'll get one idea about SQL, how to write chain, the tables, and these things. Okay. Now save, check the preview. So your concept is to learn like how to use riff, okay, and how to create sources. Okay, how we are using the models and model. So I would say check the lineage graph. Click on lineage. So make it big. Okay, this is the graph. You can see entire code. So here we have the stage orders, stage products, stage or stage customers, stage products, customer order summary. So shopping dot products. Okay, stage or stage customers, stage products. Okay, shopping dot. So from where you can scroll slide side scroll. Okay, get drag to okay. The source is like we have shopping dot products, right? So something any model is there extra, that's why it's showing like this one shopping dot products. So it should show like suppose we are using these models and customer summary. If we are creating one more model, so it will going to show complete entire one. Okay. So go to that YML file, that schema.yml. So to the name shopping raw shop only showing customers orders products. Okay. Mm, it is showing and final name. Yeah, imperfect. Put in the just in order. Like in ninth line, give the backspace and move to the eighth line like that. Arrange one by one, one by one. Like, yes, yes. Now this show big this code, this graph. So entire graph. So see here you can see the we have three shopping. So these three models, and after that we have stage products. That after that we have so customer orders summary. So this model we have written so completely with this three using. Okay, something is missing here. So usually we need to get from this slide we have stage product, right? Like this we need to get stage customers, stage orders, stage products. Then combining three we will get one more graph customer orders summary. Okay, close this one. Okay, and, so you have any extra models in this data? Check the models, all models. What are the models we have? So my first DB, my second DBT, stage customers. stage order, stage product. The graph is not showing properly. That's why I'm trying to clear. Okay. So in models folder, we have already have one schema.yml file. So delete that one. In orders folder, models folder, we already have open example folder. Open the schema.yml file. Delete button. Okay. So click on stage customers model, stage customers. Click on stage customers model, open it, show me the code. Save it. That's why it's not showing. Save it. Save this code. Now show the stage orders. Save it. Now now you can see the updated lineage graph. Before that, run the dbt run. So every time if you do any changes, like we need to save the code. So before it's not reflected in that, not updated properly lineage graph. Now you can see the proper lineage graph. Go to schema.yml file. You can check there. See update graph. Okay, this is the graph, actual graph. Okay, so like this situation. This is actual graph. And move to that stage summary. There also you can find stages. So above already there you can see, right, already we have my second stage. You can click on that also. That file, it will open that file.
Which one?
So above you can see my first DBT, my second stage customer stage orders. Stage you can click on. You can click on. You can change. You can go to that model like that. So like that you can go. You can go to the that stage summary. You can drag to slide this one. There is one here. So below there is one line, right? Version control 16. There is one line. Version control here. Okay, this one. Okay. So here you can see, right? Okay, you can drag to this one.
Mhm.
You can drag and you can select again. Okay, this one. Okay, now you can see updated graph. You can make it big. So this one again, stage order, same lineage graph. Suppose if I'm writing one more model using customer order summary and the stage products, okay, and it will show one more lineage graph and it going to exchange. This is why, because of we need to know from this model comes from which database, which schema, from what is the source we need to know. Okay, so that we can find finally easily. Okay, how we are creating the model. So this is one advantage in the TBT, okay, with the lineage graph made. So they will ask, we can do the transformations means, so we can do even Snowflake transformations in the Snowflake also. Why we DBT means we have lineage graph in the DBT. This is one advantage. We can include this one concept used. So now go to Snowflake and check that data. So what we have done transformations now. Go to Snowflake. So here we have different schemas, sharp schema and DBT schema. So whenever we creating the account, We can give schema name sharp. Now it going to load the data in sharp schema only. Okay, don't confuse. Okay.